Good morning. So, text 3 today. Pashyetam Panduputranam Akacharyamahitam Kamam Vyatham Draupadapet Putrane Tavasisyene Dhemata. O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Draupada. Duryodhana, a great diplomat, wanted to point out the defects of Dronacharya, who was the Brahmana commander-in-chief. Dronacharya, the the guru of Duryodhan and also the Pandavas, the five Pandavas sons, was the guru of them, and he had some political quarrel with King Draupada, who was the father of Draupadi. So Draupadi was Arjuna's wife. As a result of this quarrel, Draupada performed a great sacrifice by which he received uh, the benediction of having a son that could kill Dronacharya. Dronacharya knew this perfectly well, and yet, as a liberal man, he did not hesitate to impart all his military secrets when the son of Draupadi, Drashtadyumna, was entrusted to him for military education. Now, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Drashtadyumna took the side of the Pandavas, and it was he who arranged for their military phalanx. This is Duryodhana's reply. This is Duryodhana's question to Dronacharya, which was being told to uh, Dhritarashtra, the father of Duryodhana, by Sanjaya. It was said Sanjaya told about this uh, in the last text. Sanjaya said about this in the last text. Drashtadyumna was also learned from Dronacharya. Dronacharya was his guru, so which was a defect, which was a mistake, I guess, because Arjuna and also the other sons of Pandav, they all only Arjun was enough capable to defeat the Kauravas, but now all of them being there, it was harder for them to win, harder for the Kurus to win. That's it. Thank you.